everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make air fryer tandoori chicken wings. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm going to do my recipe based on about 600 grams of chicken wings. So we'll set this aside for now and we're going to do our marinade first. So we'll just bring it across a large bowl, and into our bowl we're going to start by adding half a cup of Greek style yogurt, or any sort of natural yogurt, just make sure it's not sweetened. To our yogurt we'll add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Next we'll add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of kashimiri red chilli powder. And we'll add half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground fenugreek, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. So we'll just use a whisk now to mix this all together and make a nice paste. Alright, that smells amazing. Feel free to have a little taste now and see how it tastes. Alright, that was bloody amazing. So, let's set that aside for now and bring back our wings. So guys, what we're going to do is we want to pat these as dry as we can. And once we do, we'll add straight into our marinade. Now by patting them dry, it will allow the marinade to better penetrate the chicken. We don't want to add too much unnecessary liquid in there, like at the bottom as you can see. And all we're going to do is mix, well, get our wings nice and coated in that beautiful marinade. Okay, and that's looking beautiful. Alright guys, so we're going to cover this with some cling wrap now. We want to place this into the fridge for about 2 hours. You can't leave this overnight for best results. So we'll come back in about 2 hours and we'll cook these. Alright, so now comes the fun part. So what we're going to do is just spray our air fryer tray. Now before we add our chicken in, let's just give it another good mix around in there. Make sure it's all well coated. Beautiful. So we'll start placing our wings straight inside, and we want to try and get the skin side up. And just leave a little bit of a gap between each one. Alright guys, the next part is foolproof. We'll go ahead and add our basket straight in. And we're going to set this for a total of 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And we'll let that work its magic. And just look at that. How beautiful do they look. Let's go ahead and serve these up. How amazing is that looking? Let's finish it off with some freshly chopped coriander. And we'll add some yogurt sauce on the side too, just in case it's too hot. And there we have it. Alright guys, and that was my take on air fryer tandoori chicken wings. Very, very simple to make as you saw. Let's give it a try, but I mean, look at the look of it. How amazing and crispy do they look. So succulent as well. I can really feel that kick. I'm just going to dip into the yogurt sauce. Definitely has a very nice kick. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and TikTok. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.